what I'd say to folks is you've got to, at least whatever it is that you're on, be on the journey to being a master of whatever that is, whether it's something small or something big, whatever that is.
I mean, that is, now I promise you, I know that's Holy Spirit, because I literally heard that this morning on my run, and it was like, what do I say to the people tomorrow, right? And it was like, we know what we know.
Yep.
We know what we don't know. But do we know what we need to know?
Right.
Or do we know what we don't need to know that we don't know?
Right.
Right. How do we fill in that gap? And just being honest about it, like being okay with, I don't know, but there's a way to find out.
Right.
And I think that's very interesting that you said that you was triggered not by not knowing, but not knowing what he's talking about.
That's exactly right.
It's like, whoa, wait a minute. If I'm going to get into any of this, I at least need to know what these people are asking.
That's right. You've got to know the landscape. If you don't even know where you're walking, how you're supposed to walk, or how you're supposed to talk, what are you doing?
Wow.
At least start working on that. So for folks who are out there trying to raise their game, raise their level, consume it all, especially in this AI world.
Yeah.
AI is going to take over is taking over all the lower level. And this is beyond tech, right? All the lower level menial tasks, right? So the only thing that will be left are the folks that know.
Yeah. Know what?
No more than just knowing how to do, because AI will just do. So you've got to be able to know how to put all the do's together, right? How to be a little bit more creative and create a solution so that can be handed off to either the junior developer in my day or the AI, which is going to be tomorrow. But if you don't know that level of how all the pieces work together, you're not gonna make it.
And so, not to throw you guys off or us off, because you don't know it. What we're communicating is, you know you don't know it. And I always say, once you hear the problem, you also hear the solution.
Right.
If you don't know, your job is to find out.
Absolutely.
It's very simple. Like, that's a part of being resourceful. That's kind of what this AI thing is doing. It's like, you know what? I've learned that I don't know, and if I need to create some separation, be the one that will figure it out or find a way so you can communicate it to someone else.
Exactly, and that's what we look for. I mean, for me and anybody that's looking to, in today's world, how do you either pivot, find a new job, change your role? It's starting now, but even more so, people are looking for folks that can adapt. Can you figure it out? Can you find the solution? Yeah, there's going to be a problem or a question that comes up that you don't know the answer to. Can you figure it out? Can you find out? My interview questions always surround not what you did, but what you didn't do or you didn't know, and how did you figure it out?
So it's not what you did, what can you do?
What can you do? And how did you get to where you are? I look at those resumes as context to frame my question of, how did you get here? How did you figure this out? What would you do if? Long gone are the days of, okay, so you were an Oracle from this to this. Tell me about that. We need to penetrate to the next level. I mean, employers are penetrating to the next level.
So this is good. This is very good.
If you enjoyed that last clip, check out these videos, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that bell for notifications. We don't want you to miss a beat.